Sending crypto today is broken. You copy a 42-character hex string, you paste it, you pray you got it right. One wrong character and your money is gone forever. AIBIZ fixes this. The AIBIZ wallet lets you send by name. Pay Alice, AIBIZ instead of 0x1234. Pay DZIT, AIBIZ. Pay travel, Dubai, AIBIZ. The name resolves live on Polygon to the recipient's smart wallet. Pick your token, BZUSD. USD. Add a memo, sign in MetaMask. Done. The Receive tab generates a universal QR and pay link. Anyone scans it, their wallet opens with the transaction pre-filled. The pay link works as an Android deep link. Tap AIBIZ 1BZ biz/pay/Alice. AIBIZ from any app. The AIBIZ Android app opens to confirm. The wallet also lists every agent license you own, every marketplace listing you posted, your referral earnings, claimable in BZUSD, and your activity feed with memos visible to receivers. When you want real money out, link a debit card, authorize a one-time sweep cap. Send dollars from your name to your card. No bank, no middleman, no copy-paste errors. AIBIZ Wallet, the wallet that speaks names.